Hello ATM, I am Andre Fardo, ang Boy Wonder ng Diliman. And I'm going to be playing This or That, Campus Cutie Edition.
Recitation or quiz?
Recitation,
First honor or first club?
first honor.
Class president or MVP ng G?
President,
Crush na seatmate or barkadang kaklase?
crush na seatmate.
Field trip or school fair?
Field trip,
Libreng snacks or libreng notes?
libreng snacks,
TikTok break or power nap?
power nap,
Cafeteria kwentuhan or online group chat chikahan with screenshot?
cafeteria kwentuhan,
Hot choco with crush or iced coffee with tropa?
iced coffee with tropa.
Complete breakfast meal or instant pancit canton?
Paisut Canton. Thank you ATM. You may follow me on Instagram at Dre Joaquin. Subaybayan niyo po ako and abangan sa mga future projects ko here in Sparkle.